Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is going to be about how to feel refreshed, more of a self-care kind of video. I really hope you enjoy this, and if you do, make sure to throw a thumbs up down below and do not forget to subscribe if you are new here, and let's get straight into the video. The first thing is on how to feel refreshed is to not go to bed stressed out. If you go to bed stressed out from you had a crappy day at your workplace, or you had a crappy day at school, or the kids have been driving you up the wall all day, and you go to bed with that stress, you're most likely to wake up the next morning groggy. The next morning you're most likely to not want to do anything, and your day has already started negative because you went to bed negative. Best to just go to bed stress-free and to feel a little bit more refreshed tomorrow morning. Another way on how to feel refreshed is to drink a glass of water right when you wake up. Right when you wake up, before you brush your teeth, before you do anything, go to your fridge, drink a nice cup of water, add some lemon in it or apple cider vinegar, whatever you like, and just sit down at the table and drink that glass of water until it's gone. You're going to feel a lot more refreshed, like you're ready to just start the day and you're ready to just get on with the tasks that you have in mind. And I feel like ever since I started drinking a glass of water right when I wake up, and then I drink a lot of water throughout the day, but right when I drink that first glass of right when I wake up, I feel so much more refreshed. Another thing on how to feel refreshed is to look forward to something that you really want to do throughout the day. It's gonna make you feel a lot better about your day. So say if you have a play date with your daughter or your son and you've been looking forward to it because you want to see them play or interact with other kids, you're gonna feel a lot more refreshed when that little task is over, because you know in your head that you got it done, and it definitely keeps you going throughout the day. I feel like especially with me wanting to go on vacation, and then it's something to look forward to, so I feel a lot more refreshed each day because it's closer to that day where I have something to look forward to. I know it sounds so weird and I'm probably saying it all wrong, but it's really great to look forward to something that you have in mind, either each day or each week. Whether it's Friday night, it's pizza night, and Monday comes and you're like, oh, I can't wait for Friday night, it's pizza night and I want to relax with my family. You feel a lot more refreshed when you have something to look forward to. Another thing on how to feel refreshed is to give yourself a good morning stretch, whether it's your back, whether it's just a simple little stretch that you do. Basically, you can do it laying in bed, basically like where you just like twist around, or like there's so many different stretches you can do laying in bed before you get up and start your day. So once when you do a good morning stretch, you're going to feel a lot more refreshed. You're going to feel like you can conquer anything throughout the day, because I feel like once when I stretch in the morning, I feel a lot better. Another thing to do when you want to feel a little bit more refreshed is to leave your phone away. Once when you are without your phone for a good 5 to 6 hours, I know some people can't even go without it for an hour, but I try my best to leave my phone in the other room so I'm not grabbing towards it or gravitating towards it, and I feel a lot more refreshed when I'm away from it. So when I go take a shower or try to do things for myself, my phone is nowhere next to me and I feel less attached to something. I feel like I can breathe, I can relax without having this little device attached to my hip. Another thing on how to feel refreshed, and this is the simplest thing, is to make your bed each morning. I make my bed every morning, and if you guys struggle to make your bed and you hate making your bed, maybe get rid of some accessory pillows. I know when I first started doing my bed, I had about I want to say 10 pillows, which was ridiculous, and moving all those pillows, putting them back on, putting the throw blanket, all that stuff, it was kind of making me not want to make the bed. But once when I kind of simplified it, I love making my bed each morning and I feel refreshed. I feel like I can start the day nice and neat, and it actually makes me want to clean the rest of the house. So now I just have 2 pillows and an extra blanket right here because it gets cold at night, and that's it. It's super easy to make my bed. Sometimes I just sleep with this one if it's not too cold, and that one just stays nice and neat on the bottom because I don't sleep too crazy. But it feels a lot better when you wake up in the morning, make your bed, And you know, I feel like when you come home to a nice neat bedroom, you feel a little bit less stressed and refreshed. Another thing on how to feel refreshed is to put your favorite music on. Put your favorite playlist on. I will link down below my Spotify playlist. I have so many different genres that I listen to, and my favorite one that I listen to that makes me feel refreshed and relaxed is my chill out playlist. That playlist is amazing. I didn't make it. It's actually from Spotify. I just follow them. But you know, play any kind of music you're into to either clean the house so you could feel refreshed and relaxed. And you know, it definitely, music is something that I feel like gets us all happy and you know, makes us want to do something. So definitely when you are playing music, either have it on a Bluetooth speaker. I just use my phone, but I actually keep my phone away from me. But you know, my phone is loud, so I let the music play and I just don't have my phone next to me, because that's another thing where we're like going to our phone to change the song. No, create a playlist and that's it. Another way on how to feel refreshed is to rinse your face with ice cold water right when you wake up. I know in the wintertime it's super hard, and I had a hard time doing this too, but if you don't like to rinse your face with ice cold water, then I definitely advise you guys to invest in a jade roller. I keep it in my freezer. I use it on plenty of my videos. I use it for my neck, I use it for my face, and it just feels amazing. I literally, like, I close my eyes and I feel like I'm at a spa. Even though I've never ever been to a spa in my life, but I just like to pretend that I'm at one so I can feel relaxed and stress-free. So that's something that I do each morning, and it definitely brings down my eyes. My bags under my eyes get really puffy in the morning, so I put my jade roller on that. I used to use ice cubes before getting the jade roller, but the thing with the ice cubes is that it would drip all down me and it would make such a mess. So I definitely invested in the jade roller, and I actually use it at night too. So I use it twice a day and I love it, and I actually have seen my acne scars go down. That's definitely one of the benefits that it has. And the last thing on my list on how to feel refreshed is to have some me time. Everyone in their life needs some me time. A mom, a dad, you know, whether you're single, married, whatever. Everyone needs some alone time, some time to themselves where they want to do what they want to do and not what others want. So whether it's you want to go for a walk by yourself, reflect on what you need to do next week, or what you would like to catch up on, anything like that, you know, definitely incorporate some of, you know, me time for you, because you're going to feel a lot refreshed, you're going to feel less stressed. And I feel like if you do not have one day a week where it's not just for you, that's when people go crazy. I know I'm not a mom and I'm not, you know, I don't have any friends or anything like that over, but you know, I am taking advantage of my me time right now. And I feel like when I do have kids and when my life gets a little bit more hectic, I will try my best to incorporate one day where it's me. I know it sounds selfish, but I feel like that's gonna keep my sanity. Anyways, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know down below what you do to feel refreshed, whether it is to take a nice long nap when you get home from work, whether it's to go to the gym, focus on your fitness. Whatever it is, let me know down below what you do, because I feel like everyone's different. It's great to get a different perspective on how to feel refreshed. So I'm gonna leave you guys on that note, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.